MSC ETO Sponsorship Guide 2026. MSC Mediterranean Shipping Companies was founded in 1970 by Captain Aponte, headquarters in Geneva. 900 plus ships a year. It's the largest container shipping company in this world. 300 routes, 520 ports. They work upon workforces of 2 lakh plus employees globally. Ownership company, higher salary, stable career. Aponte is a $42 billion person, guys. He is a rich billionaire man. Eligibility, if you want to join MSCs, you have to have a degree in BE, BTech in electrical or triple or instrumentation or anything equivalent to that. Electrical, electronics and communication, minimum 60% marks in the final year. Candidates with prior ETO course are not eligible. Male and female can apply. English में 10th or 12th में got to minimum 50% marks. At the course start date, your age should be less than 28 years. The course fees is 3,85,000. They do not have their own college. They send students presently to Coimbatore Marine College. Tomorrow they might send to some other college, which will be updated where? On Merchant Navy Start app, क्योंकि Merchant Navy Start app है ना, it is getting upgraded and updated every single day. 4 months course है guys. Waiting period they say is around 4 to 6 months. I am not very sure about this. Seats 40 only, that is annually. Because it's a huge company, I am not very sure with this, because waiting period is a very dynamic part. Unless until a company is having a constant waiting period of 1 year and for continuously for the last 2 to 3 years, then we become conscious. Otherwise we say it is okay. Okay. Next is selection process. Online test from home, 90 minutes, personal interview, psychometric test, online 1 hour, medical test, DG approved doctors होना चाहिए, sponsorship letter and joining in hand. When you go for the 90 minutes test, engineering knowledge is checked, 50 questions, syllabus is electrical engineering, aptitude, English, duration 90 minutes, negative marking is not applicable. जाओ तैयारी करो. Interviews where they check, and that is where your knowledge comes into play. Stipend is $615 a month during onboard training period. Internet access है, mixed nationality crew, world class vessels. देखो यार, मैं इसका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. World class vessels, how do you define that? But all in all, want to say is good ships, decent salary, and I guess you're getting a job in hand. Very important. When it comes to medical standards, again, Merchant Navy Start app is going to help you with the age, of course with the eligibility criteria, whether you're eligible for the MSC or not. Other shipping companies, go onto the Merchant Navy Start app, onto the ETO section, check the eligibility calculator. When it comes to medical, go to the medical fitness calculator, check whether you're as per your height and weight, are you eligible or not. Do you have color blindness or not. Find the nearest G doctor if you have got any doubts and get your DG approved medical done. Your eyesight should be 6/12 in both eyes or 6/9 in the best eye and 6/10 in the worst eye. What is that has been explained in the Merchant Navy Start app in the medical vlog. Please guys, please download this app. This is your technical lifeline which will help you join the right company. It has got all the resources that you need, whether updated knowledge about the college, about the company, latest forms, latest questions being asked, everything, and the right information. Last but not the least, if you want to get into the right company, ETO Aspirant Excellence Package is your lifeline. I've seen a lot of ETO aspirants making a mistake that they are eligible for this company, but they join a substandard company because ho raha hai na yaar. Invest on this package. Hundreds have done that and joined it. They have joined the dream company. Check out the free trial videos before even investing. Go to the description box. Check out the link. This package is also available on a Merchant Navy Decoded platform. But invest. Okay guys, along with that, this 2026, this is what we have got. Maybe 2027 we might start with ETO offline coaching batch at SMBD Marine Academy, Dehradun. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.